Welcome to another one of our HubSpot tutorials. This is CJ with The Gist. We're an inbound marketing and growth agency and certified HubSpot solutions partner based in Buffalo, New York. Let's dive in. This video is designed to provide you with a basic guide to the HubSpot page builder and content management system. Now, if you've been following along our series, you would have noticed that most of the tutorials I've performed have been through a demo account, but in this instance, I'm actually going into my own portal. This is the HubSpot portal for The Gist. This is the section where we manage all of our website pages and web assets. The way you navigate to it is you go into marketing and website, and from there you can pick your core website pages, your landing pages, and your blog. I am in here. I can also toggle back and forth, landing pages, blog, and I'm going to start simply just by cloning an existing page on my website. So I'm going to 2020, we'll say tutorial test. So I've cloned my service page around video. So you can see, we have a main navigation, you have a hero banner, very simple flat design with a background color. I have a video module, text, buttons, little statistics call out, some features section here, another testimonial, recent articles, and call to action and a footer. Now, what's going to happen when you have when you have your website managed by HubSpot and the content management system is you will have either off the HubSpot marketplace purchased a template pack similar to a WordPress theme, or a new thing called a theme, right? And a theme is less so a library of pre-developed pages, but more so a library of stylized assets that all fit the similar look and feel, but can be customized. You can edit these themes globally, as well as customize them within the page. And so first thing to understand is that this is a very simple drag and drop editor, right? So these are all of the modules that are with my theme. And if I want to do something as simple as, a timeline, I will just take this module, drag it to where I want to go. If I drag it here, it will go within this section. If I drag it here, it will create its own section. Now, with the theme that I have, here's a timeline, right? My theme is called Atomic, so you'll see the word atomic there. When I pick a specific module, in this case a timeline, it comes with a couple of different variants. So not only can I stylize it, but I can also pick from a couple variants that display it differently, right? This variant is not left and right, but it displays one thing, just two columns where the main content is all on one side. If I want variant 3, I believe this uses images if I remember it correctly. Yeah. So now what I can do is I can edit this. It's super simple to go in, and these are all repeaters. I can add more. I can add another node in this. I can customize the text here. I can update the images that are associated with each node. Very simple, and click apply, and that just adds like that. So first of all, it's very simple to edit things. Everything that you're working with is a WYSIWYG editor. What you see is what you get, and it's just super easy to edit on. In addition, every module or every section can be styled, right? So if I want to work in this section, maybe what I want to do is customize this. So I'm going to click Style Section, and obviously I can play with the alignment and spacing here. I can go full width. I can keep it centered, maximum content width, margin and padding within the section, and then I can play with the background. So maybe I want an image background here, and here's a nice dark image that might work well. I'm not a fan of doing text on text, so usually I might go with a little bit of a better background image, something like that, right? So it's super easy. You can upload unlimited file storage and immediately pick from all of your images and videos to use in inside content or as backgrounds. But another thing I like is gradients. So maybe I want to do a simple, purple to blue gradient. I think that looks nice. And then I'm going to switch this. Again, I have my brand favorites in here, so I'm going to apply that. So that divider kind of families. And now I have a really nice looking hero banner with a cool looking divider and a two-color gradient. Here, if I want to drop in a video, I use this video. If I want to remove this and insert another video from HubSpot, here are all of my videos that I've uploaded, right? And it's just super easy. I want to go with this one instead. Because this is a HubSpot video, I can mess with the player color. I've just made it blue. So now I want to hit apply, and now it's going to be the same blue that I have. Again, same thing with these buttons. These are super easy to add. In this instance, if I preview this, I can make this button link to another page, right? Or I can make this be a pop-up. So right here, this button is a pop-up, right? So it triggers a form. If I don't want it to trigger a pop-up and I just want it to go to another page, I'm inside here. Here's where I can edit the button, the alignment, the text, the color, the styling, the icon within it. But now I'm in pop-up, and I'm not going to enable the pop-up. And now instead, I'm going to have it go to a specific link, or I can go to one of my other pages. And this is a nice feature. I'll say video, right? So it'll just pull from the library, my content library, and I can easily make it link to that. I don't have to remember all the URLs, no copying and pasting. I can open it in a new tab, and I'm going to change this color to my blue so it families. And now here it is again. So the important thing to understand is that editing in the HubSpot CMS is incredibly easy. And one of the other large benefits of having your website hosted in HubSpot is that it's connected to all of your other marketing tools, your forms, your calls to action, your pop-ups, your chat bots, and all of the website analytics that is attributed to your contact records, right? So when certain contacts view a specific page, right? And you can then leverage HubSpot automation to send you a notification if a prospect visits a certain page. Maybe it's a prospect who has a deal, or a prospect who is a marketing qualified lead is visiting your pricing page. You can send yourself a notification, send yourself a text, create yourself a task, right? But we'll save that for another video. Right now, this is just the basic overview of the HubSpot CMS Builder. Again, it's super easy. I'm going to go ahead and add a chart here. I drag it in, it immediately refreshes, and now I can play with the styling of this chart. I can use a bar, a line, a pie, because I know that this comes with all of those variants. I can easily delete modules. I hover over this section, click delete, and it's gone. I can again style these sections, change the backgrounds, and this is just a really easy way. If you're somebody who knows what looks good but doesn't necessarily have the capability either as a back-end developer or even in Adobe tools to render that, then this is a really good tool, right? This is really good for marketing teams who are savvy enough to build stuff that looks nice within a pre-existing structure that was built for them, and it allows you to to increase the speed and effectiveness of your content output. So this is the basic overview to the HubSpot CMS and the page builder. It works the same for landing pages and, quite frankly, for blog posts. So if you have any questions, follow up, check in with your other videos, and please don't hesitate to ask. We are here to help. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you want to dive deeper into this topic, suggest we do a new tutorial on a new topic, or if you want to learn more about our HubSpot onboarding and support services, head on over to thegistcontent.com/HubSpot. Thanks for watching.